Turn the light on. He's like, Isa pounding the TV. Bad TV.
No, on the side.
But the top works too.
Wow.
There. See?
See, like yesterday, it was there when I was looking.
I should.
Oh, let me give it a smack.
It's like a radio.
Oh, Mom.
There.
It's coming to life.
My goodness.
We broke them.
There. Namatay.
You killed it more on it.
There. Ako matamaan. Ay, tama na. Tamaan.
Just when it's about to wake up, honey, you smack it and it.
Dati na bababa na eh. Ay, napabayaan mo na.
Hey, you're on a diet.
That's why I only ate a half a piece.
Yeah.
We can watch half of it.
Upside down.
Well, what is he doing under there?
Like this one, huh?
Here comes.
You're mine. Oh, yeah.
Spin it again. Hit it again.
Wait till it goes down a little bit.
How to bring a TV back to life. Here, let me do it.
We can listen to it like a radio.
I don't want to listen to it. Maybe if you kick it and I hit it at the same time.
No,
You know what? Be careful, my clock right there, that's more expensive than the TV now.